We did initial table testing in SQL Tran. As expected, most of the tables have failed tests because target staging database is empty. So we need to copy data from source staging to target staging to ensure that actually both source and target staging have exact same data in the tables. We'll use our Omni Loader for that, and I'm gonna click New Project here, Full Table Copy, and let's go with Azure SQL to select exact same source staging here, and I'm gonna select AdventureWorks that we used in SQL Tran. For target staging, again, a same Fabric Warehouse, and finish. Okay, in just a few seconds, you'll be ready to copy everything over. However, by default, Omni Loader will recreate all the tables in the target database. We don't want them dropped and created again. Instead, we want to say we expect tables to already exist because we have created them in SQL Tran already. All right, so now I have to refresh metadata because I need to pick up a bit more information from the target to check that everything exists. All the tables are selected. Some of the tables have this nice little icons with checks, and that is because we have some computed columns which have no place in Fabric Warehouse, so we have by default deselected them automatically. If the target tables already had such columns created, then we would actually fill data in, but we can quickly just check that if the computed column is equivalent of it is missing in the target and its computed column, we just deselect it automatically to make things easy. Okay, so all I have to do now is click Load Tables. Now we're going to be truncating all of the target tables, loading them with data, ingesting everything, and it shouldn't take long, maybe just half a minute or so. Okay, we have already created all the Parquet files for ingestion. Now we are ingesting into Fabric Warehouse, 4 jobs at a time, and done. That's all there is.